Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to take a deep dive into an absolute beast of a gaming and productivity machine, the Panorama XL gaming PC desktop. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this gaming monster today at the best price. Trust me, it's worth every penny. Desktop computer emoji, design and build. Let's start with the look. The Panorama XL doesn't just perform like a beast, it looks like one too. With a clean tempered glass side panel, RGB lighting, and a spacious, well-ventilated chassis, it's built for both aesthetics and airflow. It screams performance the moment you lay eyes on it. The cable management is clean and efficient, which not only looks great but also helps maintain optimal airflow and temperatures during long gaming sessions or demanding creative workloads. Gear emoji, performance. Now, under the hood is where this PC really flexes its muscles. Intel Core i9-14900KF, a 24-core CPU that obliterates multitasking, high-end rendering, and AAA gaming with ease. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070, an incredibly efficient GPU for 1440p Ultra and even 4K gaming, AI tasks, and smooth ray tracing performance. 32GB DDR5 RAM, ultra-fast memory that's perfect for gamers, streamers, and creators. 2TB NVMe SSD, lightning-fast boot times, load speeds, and massive space for your game library or creative projects. Whether you're gaming, editing 4K videos, running multiple virtual machines, or streaming to Twitch, this rig won't break a sweat. Satellite antenna emoji, connectivity and features. It's loaded with modern connectivity. Wi-Fi 6E, for blazing fast and reliable wireless connections. Multiple HDMI/display ports, for multi-monitor setups. USB 3.2 and USB-C ports, for future-proof accessories. Windows 11 Pro, optimized for performance, multitasking, and professional workloads. You're ready for both work and play right out of the box. White check mark emoji, pros. Monster-level performance with i9-14900KF and RTX 5070. Future-proof DDR5 RAM and 2TB SSD storage. Great thermals and airflow. Gorgeous RGB and premium chassis design. Wi-Fi 6E and robust I/O. Windows 11 Pro, great for power users. Cross mark emoji, cons. Pricey, but justified for what you get. No liquid cooling, air cooling is good, but liquid would elevate it. Slightly bulky for small desks. Light bulb emoji. Final thoughts. The Panorama XL gaming PC desktop is a serious high-performance machine built for gamers, content creators, and professionals who demand power, speed, and reliability. If you want a future-ready desktop that can handle the most demanding tasks with ease, this PC is an absolute powerhouse. If you're looking to level up your gameplay, productivity, or streaming setup, look no further. Check the link in the description and grab the Panorama XL today at the best available price. This is the rig you've been waiting for.